Welcome to Global Auto Hub. The KF51 Panther is Rheinmetall's next-generation main battle tank, designed to set new standards in modern armored warfare. Developed as a potential successor to the Leopard 2, the Panther integrates cutting-edge technologies to enhance firepower, protection, and battlefield awareness. With its sleek and futuristic design, the tank aims to address the evolving threats of modern combat while providing unmatched operational capabilities. It is a combination of high-caliber firepower, advanced armor protection, and a state-of-the-art digital combat system, making it one of the most formidable tanks ever built. One of the most significant advancements in the KF51 Panther is its main weapon system. Unlike the Leopard 2 and other NATO tanks that rely on a 120mm gun, the Panther is equipped with a 130mm Future Gun System (FGS). This next-generation cannon offers 50% greater firepower than traditional tank guns, allowing it to engage and destroy enemy armored vehicles at longer distances with higher penetration power. The gun is paired with a fully automated loading system, increasing the rate of fire while reducing the number of required crew members. The tank can carry up to 20 ready-to-use rounds, including programmable ammunition capable of striking a variety of targets, from enemy tanks to fortified positions and even low-flying drones. The firepower of the Panther is further enhanced by its secondary armaments. It includes a coaxial 12.7mm machine gun, providing additional fire support against infantry and lightly armored targets. Additionally, the tank can be equipped with a remote-controlled weapon station, allowing the crew to engage threats without exposing themselves to enemy fire. The integration of drone launch capabilities also gives the Panther an edge in reconnaissance and target acquisition, enabling real-time battlefield awareness. Protection is another area where the KF51 Panther excels. Unlike traditional tanks that rely solely on thick armor for defense, the Panther adopts a multi-layered protection approach. It combines passive armor with reactive and active protection systems, ensuring a higher level of survivability. The Active Defense System (ADS) is designed to detect and intercept incoming threats such as anti-tank guided missiles (ATGMs) before they can reach the vehicle. This system dramatically reduces the risk of being hit by modern missile technology, making the Panther much more resilient on the battlefield. Additionally, the tank features a modular armor system that allows easy upgrades and replacements, ensuring it remains adaptable to future threats. Beyond physical protection, the KF51 Panther is built with cyber defense capabilities to counter modern electronic warfare threats. The tank's digital systems are designed with cybersecurity measures that prevent hacking and signal jamming, ensuring its communication and targeting systems remain operational even in electronic warfare conditions. This is a critical feature, as future battles are expected to involve cyber warfare alongside traditional combat. Mobility is another key factor in the Panther's design. Despite being a heavily armed and well-protected tank, it is designed to be highly maneuverable. The Panther features a modernized engine that delivers excellent speed and acceleration, allowing it to move quickly across different terrains. The improved suspension and track system provide stability and smooth movement, even in rough battlefield conditions. This mobility ensures that the Panther can rapidly reposition itself, avoid enemy fire, and take advantage of strategic locations. A major technological highlight of the KF51 Panther is its advanced digital integration. The tank is built with an open digital architecture, allowing seamless connectivity with other battlefield assets, including drones, reconnaissance vehicles, and command centers. The 360-degree sensor suite provides the crew with a complete view of the battlefield, enhancing situational awareness and decision-making. The AI-assisted target recognition system can detect, identify, and prioritize threats, helping the crew react faster and with greater accuracy. The tank's crew station is also designed with advanced ergonomics and automation. Unlike traditional tanks that require 4 crew members, the Panther can be operated by just 3, or even 2 in some configurations, thanks to automation and artificial intelligence support. The digital interfaces inside the tank provide real-time data, allowing the crew to focus more on combat strategies rather than manual operations. This reduces workload and improves efficiency during high-intensity engagements. One of the Panther's standout features is its future-proof design. Unlike conventional tanks that require complete overhauls for upgrades, the Panther is built with modularity in mind. This means that as new technologies develop, The tank can be easily upgraded with new sensors, weapons, or armor without requiring a full replacement. This ensures that the Panther remains at the cutting edge of armored warfare for decades to come. The KF51 Panther is not just a tank, it is a symbol of the future of armored warfare. It combines superior firepower, next-generation protection systems, advanced mobility, and cutting-edge digital technology to create a platform that is highly effective and adaptable. As the battlefield continues to evolve, tanks like the Panther will play a crucial role in modern military operations. It represents a new era in warfare, where intelligence, automation, and firepower come together to create the ultimate combat machine.